What's up, guys? So, as I'm sure you've already seen by the title, we are going to be making Mickey ears. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Some of the materials you're going to need are elastic band, headbands, polyfill, ribbon, velcro, and tulle. And some of the tools you're going to need are a sewing machine, glue gun, ear template, cutting mat, scissors, and a ruler. So for my ear template, I just went ahead and used the lid off of a tub of clay that I already had, but you can actually go online and find some printable ones and you can use those. So I went ahead and traced out the lid, and then I pinned the fabric together to keep it from moving around as I cut it out to prep it for sewing. So this video was actually inspired by two people. My friend Cece, who's having a Disney themed bridal shower, and my aunt, who is in love with Mickey Mouse. So I think the two that I made will probably end up going to both of them. Okay, so had a wee bit of technical difficulties with the camera, but we're back now. So what I forgot is that I actually need a curved edge at one of these sides, and by that I mean a side that I'm not gonna sew. So I guess it'll be this one. Because we need to be able to stuff it. And we can't stuff it if there's no opening. That's I mean honestly, yeah, I could. Okay, foot pedal. Yeah, there we go. Because apparently I was over ambitious and going way too fast. Go a little faster. Oh, that one got really weird there. Up until then, I was avoiding the pins. Here's a thimble when you need one. My handy dandy little pumpkin cushion. Okay. Okay, so we got one done. Okay, so I went ahead and I stitched the other one together, and then I flipped them both inside out. So now what you want to do is get your polyfill or cotton stuffing, fiber fill, whatever you want to call it, and you get to stuffing. Honestly, you can use whatever you want, it really doesn't matter. Paper towel, more fabric, be my guest, just stuff. And once you're done stuffing, you glue the ends together and then cut off the excess. So now you're gonna go ahead and start to assemble. I would suggest using a mat or something that has lines or grid or something, just so that you can make sure the ears aren't, wonky and leaning too far to one side. And then you add your bow. Now, this is different to what the finished product. I didn't like that bow, so I went ahead and made another one. You'll see that later. Now what I'm doing is I am making a veil for these Mickey ears, because it is for her bridal shower, so I want it to be a bridal Mickey ear. So what I did is I just cut a random piece of tulle that I had from a veil that I didn't use for my wedding, and I took about a 1-inch piece of elastic band. I stitched those together, and now I'm just taking some Velcro tabs and I'm gonna hot glue them on, because I want this to be detachable, so that if she just wants to wear the ears by themselves, she can do that. you know, that way it's not all bridal all the time, you know, unless she feeling fancy like that. It's her, she can do what she wants. But yeah, I just thought it was a cute little detail to add to it. Okay guys, so I took a break to actually finish these and they came out amazing. So I took my time with these. Not that the first ones didn't go well. I mean, they still look nice, but these just came out better. So yeah, I do a lot better when I'm not talking at all. So yeah, these are the ones. This fabric actually came from Tanzania. My sister-in-law left it here, and so now she's not getting it back. But also, you know, they're a little Hakuna Matata-ish, so you know, which makes sense. Tanzania is in Africa, and Lion King is African Pride Lands. So yeah, these are really cute. I love them so much. I did like how the stitch bow came out better, so I switched it. And this is so cute. I think she's really gonna like it. So yeah. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. You know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. You know? Okay.